Guess what time it is? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I've been on here and I feel really weird talking to a camera now. It's been that long, but we're here today because it is the M.A.C Christmas collection. Need I say more? So this arrived today. We're going to go through it together. Forgive me, I need my glasses. I can't see. So let's open this box up. So at the time of filming this, M.A.C have a little deal going on with you spend over a certain amount, you get a free bag and a beauty blender in a little matte coffee cup. So we'll have a look at those at the end. So the first thing we're going to look at is the eyeshadow palette. I love a good eyeshadow palette. Obsessed. But it's smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's probably the same size as the small Connect palettes. But how gorgeous is this packaging? It's like a mint green with like a rose gold detailing. Let's open it up. So that's what the palette looks like on the inside. I'm gonna do some swatches and have some footage of it in like natural daylight because this is all studio lighting and it doesn't look like it's picking up everything that I can see in person, but they are absolutely gorgeous. So the next thing that we're going to look at are these, and they're called the Bounce and Gleam highlighters. So there was 3 of them that came out with this collection. From what I've been seeing everywhere, it's meant to be the same texture and feel as the Glow Play blushes, and I'm obsessed with this like minty green shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's take the plastic off of that one. So this one is called Candied Copper. This one here is called Investment, and I think this one's caught my eye the most because I am obsessed with the green reflex at the minute. Then this last one is called Butter Gleam. It looks like this. So up on the side somewhere that you would have seen some swatches in the daylight, not just in the studio lighting. Next thing we have are 3 new eyeshadows. And these are called Jelly Shine eyeshadows. So these are meant to be a new formula and I'm really excited about these. They have the same mint packaging. This one is called Glimmer for Breakfast. This next one is called Ice List. And this last shade here is called Sparkle Sparkle. The last thing in this makeup collection were the lipsticks. And of course we had to get the lipsticks. Can you see the glitter? Can you see the bouge? I absolutely love this. So with this one, you also have the patterned bullet, which I think is really cool. So this shade here is called Pink List. This shade here is called Unexpected Red. And I did forget to say that all of these are sleek satin formulas. So the last shade is called Future Beige. So that was everything that I purchased in the makeup collection. I don't think there was anything else. It wasn't a huge one this year. They did do a bunch of the Christmas kits, and I did get a handful of those, so keep an eye out because I will be sharing those with you as well. Before we go though, I did get a couple of other things that weren't a part of the Christmas collection that I wanted to share with you. Part of the collection, and I'm just going to put my glasses back on so I can see. I did get the Skin Finish Light Struck and I got the shade Lilac Haze. I have got 2 others coming because I have an idea of how I want to use them, but this is the first one, so I just wanted to try this out because like I said before with the green reflex, I'm loving the green and the purple reflex, especially in like the Dazzle stuff. It's so pretty and I love that this has a pump. The last liquid highlighter that I believe in my time buying M.A.C that they had was in a packaging that I didn't really enjoy. So it was this one here, and it came out with, I think it was Love Struck Love or something, Love Struck Luck or something. It was about 2 years ago, and it's in a little dropper where you push the top of the lid down like that. And it still works fine, but it's not, it feels like it could break if I drop it. So I really enjoy that this has a pump lid and nothing else. The next thing that I got was out of the Dazzle Shadow Liquids, the new releases that came out. I did only get one for now. I'm probably gonna get the others. But this one was the shade Tourmaline Dream. And when I saw it, I was obsessed. So one thing I will say in comparison to the old packaging, there is a difference. And then I did get two of the eyeshadows. So these are the glitter ones. I got Can't Stop, Don't Stop. And again, the packaging is different. It is smaller. So that's it there. And let me just pull out a traditional shadow from MAC. Okay, so the size is the same, like the circle size, but if you can see that difference, they're just a bit smaller, like a bit thinner. And it doesn't affect the product, obviously, but yeah, that's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting it to be a different size. So there's that one, and the second one that I got was Shine Delight. And obsessed with the purples at the moment. So that's it there. So while we're here, I'll just show you the freebies. So this is the MAC coffee cup. I think it's gorgeous. And it just has a sponge in there. It's just a black sponge and it has like the valves in here, so you can just keep it in there. It looks like a coffee cup. It's not a coffee cup, but you know, it's pretty cool. Then you just get a very sleek black makeup bag. It's quite a decent size. Has gold writing on it and gold hardware. And you also did get a freebie. So this is a cerumizer, and then you could add free gift to cart, and I chose the cerumizer eye because I wanted to try it out. So yeah, that's everything that I got from the MAC Christmas release. I'd love to know what you guys grabbed, what you were able to get your hands on. Hopefully the swatches are clear enough for you to see the actual shades, because this isn't working. It's been a while. So I hope you're having a great day or night wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. If you want to see anything specifically close up, or swatches close up, like closer than what I've posted, head over to my TikTok. That's where I post everything and close-ups and things like that. And if you want to see makeup look using this collection, let me know. I do have it on my list, but if you want to see it, I'll do it sooner than later. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one.